NES system. Let's take a look at the wellness system. This is a new addition, an additional way that we have of testing people remotely. This is a scanner. You can also scan with the My Health device, which is a healing or treatment device with these electrodes here. So let's take a look at the scanner. Same basic process. It's plugged into a computer. And so we can scan in the office here, but you can also get a scanner or a My Health device to scan at home, wherever you are on the planet. If you have access to the internet and you have a computer, you just plug it in to your PC, add some free desktop software that interacts with this, and when you scan your energy, then that's going to be uploaded to us to evaluate and read and work with you as far as coaching, and we can do our further testing process and identify remedies in addition to the information remedies called Infoceuticals that are built in, integral to the scan process. Basically, in about 20 seconds, what this process is doing is sending your body the full range of signals in the NES model, NES system. So it's looking at about 150 different patterns of energy and how your body responds to those, and then giving us information on the screen in the evaluation that says, oh, this one, in this case, the scan I'm looking at from a client, is saying the nighttime energy function in the daily rhythm, the daily cycle, diurnal rhythm of hormonal and energy flow. That's one that she's working on healing right now. So that's a high priority. It might be that the night infoceutical that's specifically showing reaction here might be therapeutic, and we can do further testing to identify whether it is just the stress pattern or whether it's also the therapy, or whether some other type of remedy, homeopathic, herbal, nutritional, flower essence, whatever it might be, resonates with that as an actual therapeutic support. So there's lots of information that gives us, and what we're finding is that there's an overlap with the other types of testing that we can do remotely, but it's also giving us additional information that we didn't have before, and also additional ways of treating with the My Health using electromagnetic fields. It's called PEMF, pulsed electromagnetic fields, where you can use this off the body to heal a particular area or a certain energy pattern. And also with microcurrent, where then it's in contact with the body using these conductive electrodes. I love how it's designed, so you can have the large ones on a flat area of the body, the smaller ones to get, like, say you want to work on a finger, you've got these small ones close together, and then at the corner it wraps around, so if you want to even get into a particular spot that's hard to get at, or an acupuncture point specifically, and you can treat with that. The magnetic field, the PEMF component, is always on when you're treating with this, but you can turn on or turn off the external electrodes for the microcurrent. So it's a device that uses both PEMF and microcurrent. That's amazing, that's wonderful, state of the art. And even the best part, beyond that, it's using both of those as carrier waves for information treatment related to the infoceutical drops that you put in water. Here the information is being carried by the PEMF, pulsed electromagnetic field, and or the microcurrent in contact with the body. The microcurrent in contact is great for, now you're actually getting electrons flowing through the scan, and that is in addition to the magnetic field that's going to penetrate through the tissues. And so in contact work with microcurrent is very helpful especially for chronic issues. It's a little bit more intensive, and the PEMF mode off body is awesome, where if you want to treat an area, you don't have to get contact with the skin. You can go through clothing, not a problem. Some of the Olympic athletes call it their pocket doctor. It's really a wonderful healing device. And again, you can also do the diagnostic component where you can scan using those same electrodes, including from a distance anywhere on the planet.